Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the two-dimensional array pass into UDF in C language. So let us start. First, I share my laptop screen and fix the position to here so you can watch better my video lecture. And here Turbo C++, I double click and take some process and now open. So Alt F file menu and taking new file, and here our goal, write a program to pass 2D array, two-dimensional array into UDF, user defined function. So there are two techniques. So here we can use first individual elements pass into UDF, and that also taking two technique. And here we can apply call by value. Yes, sir. So call by value and call by reference. That is a two sub technique in the main technique. Individual member we can pass call by value and call by reference. Okay. So here we can see these two techniques, sub techniques. So entire two-dimensional array pass into UDF we can see in the next upcoming my video lecture. So here, yes, first we can say the call by value, individual element pass into UDF, individual element, or we can say that two-dimensional array. Yes, two-dimensional array element pass into UDF. Individual means single, one at a time. So yes, you have to know very well. So call by value and call by reference, there are two UDF concept. If you're not watching my YouTube channel, so you can watch and you can understand. So yes, here our header file link section, standard and conio console input output and void main. So here we can declare uh, first in global declaration section. So our UDF and main both use like I and j, our counter variable, and we can declare inside as a two-dimensional array as 3 by 3 static size. And then we can first give the message. So enter to the array elements. Yes, so it is a message and slash and here provide, and taking two for loops. So I equal to 0, I less than 3, and I plus plus. And then inner loop, because that is two-dimensional array and taking two for loop. One dimensional array taking one for loop, and here there are two for loop. So I think we have to know very well. So here can scan with index. Yes, so let us first scan, and that is we can say that x and percentage d. Yes, and then here I, and then scanf function and percentage d, and then ampersand x of I j. Yes, that is a scanning. And now we can here provide after one row is completed our inner loop, one round complete, that is next row scan. So we can provide the slash n. So here, yes, here our scan is completed. Yes, and here we cannot define till to now UDF. So yes, here first we can scan and print in that same here. So how you can pass that we can see after on in UDF. So here we can say that not enter here 2D element R. Yes, and here not require slash n because we can print time provide the slash n. And here only one statement. So here we can remove the brace opening and closing. So with index, yes, here that also we can index of j, yes, that print. So that is a 2D array. So both index we can print. and that here we can also print the both index, yes, and then percentage d, then I and j, and then our element, and that is percentage d, and here provide the slash n, and then brace is removed. So first we can scan and print perfectly, and I save these files. So here we can say that 2D array, and then we can pass call by or individual elements. So element technique, and that is one technique, technique number one, because 2D array element one technique, or you can say that UDF. Yes, here we can UDF one, UD, okay, UDF one. So that is a first technique, element, individual element we have to pass and call by value. Yes, so that here we cannot take any UDF, but here now after we can take, yes, there is no any error. So here we can use global declaration section. Why? So I and J both use that is not here required because we cannot declare UDF, but after we can declare UDF. So here also declare and UDF also IJ declare. So why we can declare in both two times? So here we can use the global declaration section. Okay, let us first scan and print perfectly or not. So then after we can apply the UDF. So yes, here J directly a percentage D. So that is we can change. Yes, that's perfectly scanning and then printing. Yes, so all are well, but here one change is required. Yes, here I give the percentage D required, not J. So that is the index. Okay, so yes, and that we can print, and yes, so here we can take, yes, here you cannot take slash n. So here we can take slash n, and after one row we can provide one blank. Yes, let us check how it's look. So now all are okay. So let us check. So that is first row, second row, and then 7, 8, 9. Yes. So that is a, and you can also not print the index. So that look like is a metric format. So I so many video lecture in YouTube channel, multiplication of 2D array, symmetric matrix, transport matrix. Okay, so you can watch ascending, descending. We have to already take so many video lecture to DRM, but we cannot pass into UDF. Yes, so now we can pass into UDF. So yes, now we can start our UDF concept, user defined function, and here that before the main we can declare our UDF, and that is a no argument. So return type is a void. Here we can declare, and then we can set that function name array fun means array function, and here we can pass as a integer value. So declaration time variable name is optional. We cannot provide any variable name. So that is a here like we can say that x, but here not required. You can give no any error. And then inside the main, that is a declaration and terminate with semicolon and before the main. And now second UDF element, it is a calling. So here we can call, yes, so here we cannot print in that 2D, 2 for loop, we can printing time pass our call to our UDF. So yes, array function, and we can pass to our element x of I and j. So that is a after, that is a calling. So that number of time every element is passed individually, and here we can that array fun, that is a so here we can declare the global as a I and j, so that we can also use in that UDF. So otherwise we can declare in both main and then UDF. So here we can take like any, give the name. So here we can say that a variable or any name to your variable, and then we can just print only, no any for loop is required because already that pass into the for loop, and then element is a copy in the a but call by value. So here we can just percentage d and print the a value. So that is a perfectly, let us check, and no any other require. So that is simple. That is individual. That uh, totally 3 by 3, 9 times that function is called and all element print by individual. So that is a call by value technique. First we can complete call by value. Individual first main that technique name is individual 2D array element pass into UDF, and then call by value we can see then, and after we can see the call by reference. So pointer we can need, because here no pointer used. So here let us check. So first row can, then second row, and last. Yes. So yes, that very close printed. So yes, we can, that is a metric format we can also print. Yes, so here we can just entry time provide the symbol of metric. You have to know very well this sign, and then here we can supply, that is a provide no, here is not in, and then here, and then what to do here, we can provide one blank or before or after. Yes, so here before and after both we have to provide. So let us check that work perfectly or not. So yes, again I give same value. Yes, and so look, that is a metric format. So yes, so we can perfectly print, and that is first technique. So yes, our output is perfectly, no any change is required, metric format, and you can also print the index. Yes, here you can. So in your question, how I and J come to here, because that last value print here directly. So yes, I just give the comment line to this metric format and remove this, and let us check that index is also print. So here we can directly write, yes, percentage D, and then colon percentage, and then one blank, and here I and J, because I and J we can previously define as a global variable. So you can look here, that is global declaration. So both, otherwise what happen here, we can declare in the main and also in our array function. Fun means function. Here we can also declare ij again second time. So global is a sharing to both our UDF. Main is also user defined function. Yes, let us check that print index or not. So look that as it is our previously printed index. So scan with index, print with index. But 2D array is a metric, known as a metric array. So we can print in the metric format. That is a better. So yes, now I again open this comment line, and here provide the that symbol, and again I remove the index. So that is just give the idea. You can also print the index, yes, and here remove the ij, because that is a declare as a global. So we can also print the indexing. Yes, our output, I press Alt F5, so you can see your last output. Okay, now second technique, yes, same this program we can, I just save as this technique. So you have to know there are two file maintain, and here I give 2D array, two-dimensional array, and UDF technique number 2 and .c. So here we can use the call by reference. Yes, so first we can use the call by value technique in this session, and that is a same main category we cannot change. Individual 2D array element pass into UDF. That is as it is, but we can, here is a pointer declaration. So directly not we can pass our element, but that address, yes, here we can just change ampersand sign. So every element that address pass to pointer, and here we can take like asterisk p, or you can also a, there is no problem, and here we can asterisk p because pointer, that is, so we can give the p as an integer pointer. So yes, there is no any change. Yes, that technique is called by reference. So just only that declaration asterisk sign in declaration time, there is no need to declare the variable name. So we can just here asterisk sign, yes, and then here we can pointer, yes, and then pass. Yes, let us check. I run. So all are well, there is no any error. So all are well, same. Yes, look, so that is a call by reference technique. So yes, write two, and here we can maintain both files separate. So that is a call by reference and individual element passed to in UDF, a two-dimensional array. So yes, I open both files. First, I open our previously file, and that is 2D array element UDF technique number 1. Yes, that is there. So you can write this program to your C notebooks if you prepare. Very simple but interesting. Yes, here I remove one blank, and then that is a call by value technique, individual two-dimensional array pass into UDF. And then I open the second, yes, to the array, and that is second technique, yes, here. So that is a same, yes, I already printed. So look, that is a just we can change to our UDF call by reference technique, and here we can ampersand means address pass and then print. So yes, here already output is there. So now I close this file and then quit. So subscribe my channel Ashok C Jalai, press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting and sharing my video lecture, and Hare Krishna.